if we're not going to talk about this genocide, we're not fighting fascism.
Right.
And those marches that happened in the United States, while great, like a whole bunch of people turned out this last weekend
Yes.
to say hands off our community, hands off our right. A lot of those people, those marches were told they can't carry Palestinian signs. And that should speak to what those marches are. My favorite, not so favorite sign was, if Kamala won, we'd still be at brunch. That basically is where American liberals are.
Wow.
Right,
I
'cause
mean, that tells you everything you need to know.
Yeah, so we'll continue the genocide. But we'll be at brunch.
Yeah.
You know, that's kind of where they want to be.
Yes.
The reason Trump annoys them, while he annoys foreign leaders for other reasons, is he holds up America to who Americans are.
Yes.
And a lot of white Americans by that extent, a lot of white
Agreed.
liberal Americans, and anyone else who's bought the Kool-Aid into the American capitalist thing. Like, they basically, that's who they are. We don't really care about anybody else.
You don't want to see your brunch eggs drenched in Palestinian kids' blood.
No.
You just want brunch.
No.
And the blood, can we have that as a side?
Yes, and that's
Please.
basically where they're at.